which leads me to number 6, which is avoid the court if you can. Avoid guardianships and conservatorships, which is now in 2022 what the Washington courts call, what used to be called a financial guardianship is now called a conservatorship. They mean the same thing. But nationwide, you often hear the term conservatorship used when they're talking about financial guardian protections. When does somebody need the court to intervene and protect themselves, protect their finances? When that comes into play is when somebody has lost capacity and they do not have the durable power of attorney for finances. When does that happen? That happens just naturally because people don't think that they are ever going to lose capacity. Nobody wants to lose capacity, and they don't think it's ever going to happen to them. They think it's going to happen to somebody else. They think it's going to happen to the next generation up, maybe seeing Alzheimer's or some cognitive decline, or somebody who has had a stroke. But really, human nature, very understandable. Nobody thinks it's going to happen to them. As an estate planning attorney, what I see all the time is that it happens to people all the time. So having an estate plan in place is going to make sure that you and your finances don't have to be in the court system subject to a court-ordered guardianship or conservatorship. One of the things I do want to mention, and this is really a very common misconception, is people think, well, I'm married, so if my spouse loses capacity, I can manage his affairs. No, I can't. If our names are both on the title to our home, yes, we both own them. But if I need to sell the house, I can't sell it because I cannot sign his name on the sale and do a new deed if I don't have a durable power of attorney and he's lost capacity. So being married doesn't fix this problem. If he doesn't have a durable power of attorney and he loses capacity, he's subject to court-ordered guardianship, and I have to deal with the courts as his spouse. I have to do a personal care plan. I have to do a financial plan. I have to disclose to the court everything about our finances. We're Washington community property. We're married, so everything that's personal to me is also in the court. This is really an eye-opener to people when it happens to them, and it's a really terrible situation. Easy to avoid by getting a general durable power of attorney, not just for yourself, but for your spouse as well.